Hello everyone, today I am here with 5 tips and tricks to improve your handwriting. So let me quickly tell you what handwriting is. So handwriting is the writing done with a writing instrument such as a pen or a pencil in the hand. A neat and legible handwriting is easy to read. So let us go through the 5 tips and tricks. First one is make your letters clear, then be consistent, avoid tangles, keep connections tidy and slightly slant your writing. So let us go through these 5 tips and tricks one by one. So the first one is make your letters clear. So dear friends, we recognize letters by looking at their tops. When letters have loops on their ascenders, they can be unclear.
First of all, you should know what are ascenders and descenders. Letters like B, D, H, K, L, T, etc. are tall or ascenders. Letters like G, Q, Z, etc. are called hanging or descenders. And letters like A and many more such letters are known as short letters. An A or O that is not closed can look like U. Here you can see the examples. Here these letters are not closed, so they are not easy to read. One cannot read them easily. If they are closed properly, we can easily find which letters are these. So close the top of letters and make them more legible. Now, in case of A and Q and A and D, in case of such letters, to differentiate between such letters, ascenders and descenders. See, this is ascender, this is descender. Ascenders and descenders should be written longer so that it can help you to easily read them and recognize them.
The second one is be consistent. So, dear students, whether you are experimenting with letter shapes, handwriting size, or light slant, make sure that your baseline and letter forms should be consistent.
Baseline is the bottom of most letters where descenders goes under it and ascenders goes above it. It's easier to read handwriting that has a straight baseline rather than the text that jumps from place to place. You can see in the example here, it is not easy to understand and read because the straight line or the baseline is not straight, but here the letters are properly arranged on the baseline. It is forming a straight line, so it is easier to read.
The next one is avoid tangles. Dear students, long ascenders and descenders may get tangled. Therefore, do not make your letters too long.
Long ascenders and descenders may get tangled together, so do not make your letters too long. This is the incorrect way of writing the ascenders and descenders because they are getting tangled here. So write your descenders and ascenders short. Keep them short to avoid tangles.
The next one is keep connections tidy. Dear students, when we write quickly, we tend to connect letters and which make words look messy. So when we write, avoid connecting letters and this will help your writing look neat.
Keep connections tidy. Whenever you are writing, make sure that do not connect the letters because it make words look messy. You can see here in the example. The word is looking so messy. We are not able to read it correctly. So, whenever you write, avoid connecting letters. This will make your writing look neat. You can just see the example.
And the last trick is slightly slant your writing. Dear students, most people write with a slant when they write quickly, but writing that is too slanted is too hard to read.
Slightly slant your writing. See, some people writes leftwards, some writes rightwards and some write direct upright. But you need to follow or stick to one type of letter slant only. If your letters are tilted to the left or to the right or they are upright, make sure you do not overdo the slanting as it will be difficult to read.
Now there are some other helpful tips also, that is, hold the pen near its writing tip so you will have better control with the strokes. And next is, for smoother handwriting surface, place a pad of paper underneath your sheet that you will be writing. So dear students, I'm sure you are going to follow these 5 tips and tricks to improve your handwriting, and I'm sure that your handwriting will definitely get improved. Thank you.